Alright guys, and run this for Justin, Powder Blue Raleigh, 7:03 p.m. We're going to go live. We are live. 7:03. 7:03. Grab the list. 30 spots, or 20, no, what is it, 23? 23 at 3. Okay, just double check. Alright. And we're going to drop it in a random. We have 23 entries, Brian on the bottom, Jim on top. Alright, we're going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. 7, that's good. We're going 7 times. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Dice show the 7. Next click. Top spot wins. Good luck. And 7. Congrats to Greg. Spot 5. You are the winner. Get in touch with Justin. He'll get that out to you. 7:04. We are done. Type done. We are done. 7:04 p.m. 7:04 p.m. Here is verification and timestamp.